Well, hello friends and fellow Disney fans. Welcome back to the Jamie Thomas Show. Today we are at beautiful Aulani Disney Resort and Spa in Hawaii, and I'm going to be taking you on a quick tour of the 2-bedroom villa with a full kitchen available here. We'll just show you everything it has to offer and hope it helps you on your next Disney vacation. So if that interests you, stick around. So this is right in the entryway, just as you've entered the 2-bedroom villa. To your left as you enter, you'll see the kitchen into the living room, and to your immediate right is actually a half bathroom. I'm going to show this to you real quick. So as you enter to your right, it's just a small little bathroom, single commode, beautiful, keeping with the theming of Aulani here. And then as you turn around, you head into that full kitchen. Absolutely beautiful full kitchen. So if you are staying for any significant amount of time, food is pretty expensive in Hawaii, and one of the best ways to save some money is to cook your own meals, and you have every availability to do that at this 2-bedroom villa. It comes with a stove, it comes with a microwave, and of course your fridge and freezer, and a full dishwasher. Just absolutely perfect. Has everything you would need for a prolonged stay at Aulani. Now as I turn around, right away you have these double doors, and what's behind here but a full washer and dryer, complete with soap for you to do your laundry. My family's just finished spending a better part of a week at Waikiki, and we have lots of laundry to do, so really grateful for that feature. And then you make your way over into the living room and dining room area. Absolutely beautiful. Now they set up the dining room table in this really kind of smart way to maximize your space. You've got kind of a bench that you can seat around 4 people, plus these 2 little chairs underneath, giving you plenty of space for a larger family to eat dinner together. Then there's also a great space. My family loves to play board games. Perfect space here to play board games and just have family time. Then you have this really, really large living room, plenty of seating for everyone. They leave these really cute Disney books here just to kind of give you a little bit of that Disney flavor. Lots of beautiful Hawaiian decor to kind of set you the theme for the room. And as we kind of look around here, you also see a lot of storage and a nice size TV. Around the corner, you've got a good closet for, again, more storage, laundry basket for your convenience, and of course a lockbox for those things that need to be locked up. So just everything a family could need. This is a fold-out bed. On top of that fold-out bed, you have yet another single full-out bed. So this does sleep a good amount of people. Perfect for your larger family. That way is your master bedroom. Let's go check out the master bedroom. Here is your master bedroom. The master bedroom has, as you see, big king-size bed, beautiful little work desk. Heading out to your patio there with great views. I'll show you, our room is a luau view. I'll show you what that looks like from the 10th floor. And then of course, a nice big TV for you to watch, as well as a ton of storage for your clothes, things of that nature. Then to your immediate right is a huge walk-in bathroom. You've got these fold-away kind of door panels, so you can actually open and look all the way through to your shower and your bath. But let's walk in this way. So here is your bathroom. Beautiful walk-in shower. Absolutely gorgeous. There's your vanity. Lots of storage underneath your vanity. And then, of course, a full tub. Just to sit, relax, have a bath. Absolutely beautiful. More storage here. There's just tons of places for you to store your luggage, for you to store your clothes, to really make this 2-bedroom villa your home for the length of the stay. Then you got your stuff to press your clothes here. And then, of course, a doorway to the toilet. So that is your master bedroom. Now, making your way across the villa, and here is your second bedroom, complete with 2 queen-size beds. So much space for sleeping. Again, you have a little work desk. What's such a cute little Mickey? Look at that. Aw. Mirror. And let's see from this angle. Beautiful, spacious room. Tons of places to sleep. Got more storage underneath the television. And of course, you walk right out onto your balcony to again overlook the luau. I'm going to show you that view in a moment, but we head over this way. Again, just look at the absolutely gorgeous decor. Gives you such a sense that you're in Hawaii. Making your way over towards the bathroom, you have yet another closet for more storage. Hit this light here. Oh, that's better. And then into your final bathroom. There is your vanity. In the second bedroom bathroom, you have a shower with another rainfall feature, which is really nice, and a tub. So lots of options here. And then make your way over to the final toilet. So let's now go and check out the view of the luau. So this is from that second bedroom. Now again, the master bedroom also has a patio like this that goes into your main living room. So there's room from both places. So this is looking out from the 10th floor. Absolutely gorgeous view of the ocean. And this is the luau from the perspective of the luau here. Isn't that gorgeous? Unbelievable. So I hope that this little room overview, review, tour helps you as maybe you're planning your next Disney trip to Aulani. And if you are wanting help on your next Disney vacation, why not contact my wife? She is a travel agent who specializes in Disney vacations. She just comes alongside you as basically a free concierge service. Her services cost you absolutely nothing, and really her mission and goal is to help you have the most magical vacation possible. And again, best of all, her services are completely free. You can reach out to her today to help you book either this room or really any other Disney vacation. Easiest way to get a hold of her is by her email, jamiethomasshow@gmail.com. That's jamiethomasshow@gmail.com, or on the website www.clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and we hope it helps you on your next Disney vacation. We'll see you later. Bye.